Welcome everyone, welcome to Lab Edition. So how to get into recovery mode in iPad 9th Gen. So just in case if you need to upgrade the iPad iOS and if you're having any trouble, if you want to flash this iPad. So this is iPad 9th Gen. So how to get into the recovery mode, let me quickly show you. So what we need to do, the first thing, we can just switch off the tablet and we're gonna shut down, wait for a few seconds, and here we can see the screen light is off. So what are we gonna do, this is the old traditional iPad with the home button. So we're gonna hold the home button like this while we connecting this lightning cable which is connected to my PC. So you must connect this cable with the PC and then insert this cable while holding the power button, I mean the home button, and we should get into recovery. Here we go, now we are in the recovery mode in iPad 9th Gen, and that's how you get into the recovery. So it's extremely easy to do that. Thank you for watching and subscribe now.